at this. So I pre-biscuit jointed or biscuit cut those areas so that we can do some hidden fasteners on this edge. But we had to do that before we assembled the stair tread. And then I'm using this Type Bond Instant Bond adhesive. It works for plastic, but I think the PVC stuff would be better. But in order to get this to work, I found I have to add just a little bit more glue on the back side, just to give it a tighter bond. Okay, and then we pre-drilled these pocket screws. But one thing I noticed is I still need to pre-drill into this material. And if I do that like 1/4 of an inch, then I don't have to clamp this down and it doesn't pull itself apart. And these are exterior pocket screws, and it just tightens that in really nice. See how it pulled it apart a little? It's not the perfect glue, but that's all I've got right now, and I think it's still gonna work. So if I come and pre-drill this side, so that's nice and secure. It's pretty tight. So we're building all these first. It's gonna go just like that.